That's a pretty slick system. You just level off your bottom clips and then you go to town. It's quick and simple.
This one wall here took me 40 seconds. I mean, it's just incredibly fast to actually install the site.
Its installation is simple, which makes it labor saving.
Showed it to one of my builders who was floored when he saw it. Very excited.
I think it installs super nice. I think builders are gonna love it.
It can almost be like a one-man job pretty easily.
You can feel really good as like just a contractor that's maybe never done this. It's the first time it's gonna be perfect, so that's pretty sweet.
I'm very impressed with the system, to be honest. I mean, I gave that thing a pretty good tug, and there was no movement, nothing.
Easy installation. The gapping on this is amazing. So you don't have to sit there and monitor the gapping in a shiplap type of detail. That's fantastic.
The ability to get back into the wall after it's been installed, the ability to reuse that exact board again is huge.
Once I put it up, I know what it's going to look like and I never have to go back and worry about maintaining it. I just want to be one and done.
With this innovation system, it's going to be amazing.